So, ang computer at internet ay napakalaki ng tutulong sa pag-research sa mga current updates at maging sa mga um, what's this? Additional information. Yan. At kahit nga nasa loob ka na ng bahay, gaya nyo, you're just inside your houses, pwede kayong maka-access sa internet. And through the internet, pwede nating malaman ang latest na balita all around the world. The latest news about the business, politics, entertainment, sports, at marami pang iba.
BTS.
Yes. And computer and internet can save time and energy, gaya ng, and money, of course, gaya ng ating napag-usapan last Wednesday. Pero palaging tandaan, you need to observe and analyze all the information that you get from the internet. Kasi some of them may get you confused at times. May mga info kasi na makikita nyo, minsan they're outdated already. Or hindi reliable kasi nga walang sapat na basehan or there was no enough basis. We also discussed about computer file system. So it is used to keep and reopen or data in the computer. So if file system is not existing in your on your gadget or in your computer, it will be difficult to organize and find the information you will be needing in the future. Okay, the word file. The word file is a collective term for all documents, photos, videos, and others in a computer. By the way, get your TLE notebook para kayo makapag-jot down. By the end of the semester, all of us, the teachers, will be collecting your notebooks para malaman namin kung kayo ba ay nagsusulat nga sa inyong notebooks. Okay? So lahat yan, Filipino, Math Notebook, CLE, TLE, so MAPE, we'll be collecting all your notebooks. Okay, so yun nga, usually you'll have a folder that is, so yung file folder naman is a folder in a computer na naglalaman ng iba't ibang files, ano? So usually nga, magkakaroon kayo ng folder for documents only. Meron kayong folder na for photos only. Meron folder para sa videos only. At additional folder para naman sa audio files naman, sa mga MP3s for music only. So today, we'll be talking about web browser and search engine. Okay, so for you to be able to begin with internet, using the internet pala, to surfing the internet, you need to use a web browser. Web browser is a software. Diba, tatlong ating components of computer, peopleware, hardware, and software. So web browser is a software. It is used for the internet to work. So it is an application or software for accessing the World Wide Web. Again, World Wide Web. Gamit ang web browser, pwede mong mabisita ang iba't ibang websites at makapag-login sa inyong mga accounts. At gamit din ng web browser, you can send and receive emails. And some of the most commonly used browsers are, ito yung mga example sa ating browser, Google Chrome. Next is Mozilla Firefox. Sa mga gumagamit ng iPhone, iPad, they're using Apple's Safari. Yan. Sa mga naka-computer din, gumagamit ng, lalo pag ang gamit nyo ay Microsoft, ang inyong gamit. So meron kayong tinatawag na Microsoft Internet Explorer. Pero ngayon, nag-upgrade na si Microsoft. Ang tawag ngayon dyan is Microsoft Edge. Okay? Microsoft Edge, EDGE. And of course, yung ilan sa atin gumagamit din ng tinatawag na Opera. So yun yung mga logos nila. Marami pang ibang browsers, meron ding Brave browser, Vivaldi, UC browser, Maxton, yan, meron din. And many more. Depende rin kung ano ang brand ng phone nyo na ginagamit. Pero ito na yung most common na ginagamit, your Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, Microsoft Edge, and Opera. Okay. So another topic is search engine. So search engine is a software system. So software naman pala, it is designed to collect information in the World Wide Web. So the results of your search will be seen in SERPs. Yung SERPs ay Search Engine Result Page. Okay. I'll try to give you chat. SERPs na tawag, or yung SERP is also known as the search engine result page. So these bits and pieces of information can be images, pwedeng videos, web pages, or document. Okay. So examples. So siyempre, gaya kanina may web browser tayo. So ang examples naman ng search engine ay, I hope you're done writing. Anyway, I'm going to upload this naman to my YouTube channel para meron kayong mapag-reviewhan, ano? Okay, so ito na. Examples of our search engines are Google, and of course Google, Yahoo, Bing, yan, Baidu. I don't know if I pronounce it correctly, if Baidu or Baidu. Next is Yandex, DuckDuckGo, and many more. So yan yung mga most common na search engines na ginagamit, ano? So those are just 6. Marami pa yan, marami pa mga search engines na available sa internet. Okay, so papakita ko sa inyo, this is how Google search looks like, ano? Yan. So if you're using a computer or even your phone, so that's how it looks. That's how Google search engine looks like. And to use it, kailangan yung i-type yung keyword inside the search box. Ito yung search box, okay? So you need to type there. So anything na yung gusto i-type, so ito na, halimbawa, you want to know the meaning of ICT. So ICT meaning, i-type nyo dyan, and then you're going to press enter. Okay, press enter after typing the keyword. And then, the results will appear in SERP. So in ating SERP, natawag na Search Engine Results page. Okay, was I too fast? Am I too fast for you guys? Any questions? So ang naging topic natin ay search engines and web browser. And how to search using the search engine. Meron tayong examples ng search ng examples natin for the web browsers are Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Apple Safari, Microsoft Edge, and Opera. Ang examples naman natin sa search engine ay Google, Yahoo, Bing, Baidu, Yandex, DuckDuckGo. Okay, any question? None? Okay, so proceed tayo, no? Let's proceed. So, ito naman tayo. So, we're going to website or what we call World Wide Web. Okay, so www. Meron na ganyan. .marysgreenfield.com, ganon. www.google.com. Pero mas madaling sabihin yung World Wide Web. Di ba? So, website is a set of connected web pages with only one domain. And you can only access them, itong mga to, you can only access these websites through the use of internet. Well, of course, you also need a web browser para ma-access nyo yan. Website is divided into 2 categories. Dalawang categories, ano? So the first one is what we call interactive site. Interactive site, it is a part of Web 2.0, which is also known as participative web. So ito naman, it refers to website that emphasize user-generated content, ease of use, participatory culture, and interoperability for end users. Nagbibigay ito ng pagkakataon sa may-ari ng site at sa mga viewers ito na maging connected sa isa't isa. Okay? Example sa atin yung mga social media sites. Yan. Okay, ito na, examples ay Wikipedia. Okay, so yung icon na yan is Wikipedia. Of course, Facebook. Facebook is isa yung participative site. Nakaka-connect-connecta yung mga
Facebook.
Yung owner and the end user. Okay? Next, Twitter. Of course, Twitter. Hindi ko lang siguro na ilagay dyan, Instagram. Kasama rin yun. And of course, mga blog sites. Yes, Twitter, of course. And blog sites gaya nitong Blogspot. So yan.
Messenger.
So lahat ng yan transform the way the same information was shared and delivered. So that's for the first category, interactive site. Okay, examples, Wikipedia, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, mga blog sites. Okay? Or web blog. Yan. Second category, let's go to second category para matapos sa agad to. Second category is called static site. Static site, so it is a port that gets information but does not permit direct connection with its visitor. So kanina may connection, di ba? May connection si owner of the website at saka yung visitor niya. This time, static site, it has no direct connection with its visitor. These are the websites that are very useful and have lots of information. And there are some that are used to entertain. Okay? May mga sites din na ganito ang goal na may mga sites na ganito na ang goal ay to make money and being used in businesses. So isipin nyo, think of it like a brochure for a business. Static sites give you a lot of the same type of information that you could get from a brochure, but it can't just change itself. So kailangan si gumagawa ng website, ng static site ay pag nag-decide siyang baguhin, tsaka lang magkakaroon ng changes sa kanyang site. Okay? So example lang natin ng isa sa mga example ng static site ay ang website ng Mayor's Greenfield Academy. Okay, so there's no direct connection at all sa webpage designer or sa the owner ng webpage at sa doon sa mga tumitingin or sa viewers ng website. Done writing? Okay? Sige, so ito na. So example of a static website is the website of Mary's Greenfield Academy. So yan yon. So if you're going to visit the website of our school, ganyan na makikita nyo. Okay, any questions? No question at all? Sure? Okay. So since you don't have any question, ipopost ko ng inyong quiz. So you have a quiz. You have a quiz. So please go to your Google Classroom. Okay, I'm just going to send the link. Okay. Okay, open your chat box.
Quiz.
Now. Okay, so that will be your quiz. Open your chat box.
May tatanong daw po si Ag.